What's up, everyone? Got a couple new toys I wanted to show everyone, and one of my next videos is gonna be on how to install this. So have some brand new Super ATV 1.5" forward offset control arms that I'm going to be putting on in the next week or so, as soon as I find some time, because obviously the stock ones, they lasted about 2 rides before I made them high clearance control arms because of the bend I put in them by hitting rocks and stuff. So these look like they're a lot more stout than the factory arms, and obviously they're high clearance, so should be a lot better. And I've already got 28s on my side-by-side, which I may go bigger in the future, but I put 28s on it. But I got the 1.5" forward offset just in case I wanted to go bigger in the future. So the next couple videos, first one I'm going to do is show you how to mount those whip lights, those homemade whip lights we made last week. We're going to mount those, and then the second video we're going to do. Second video we're going to do is how to press your OE ball joints out and reuse them in these control arms. The ball joints that are on the factory control arms are still good, so I'm just going to press them out. There's a couple different ways to do that. If you have a press, you can do it. You can do it with a socket and hammer, but I've got a press, so I'll show you how to do that in the second video. Yeah, these are looks like a lot more stout than the factory arms, and I couldn't find blue, so I had to get silver. But alright, we'll put them on and do the video and show everyone what it looks like when we're done. Thanks.